Hello, welcome to this LearnAnyone channel. So today we will discuss SAP background job failed. So how to troubleshoot step by step tutorial we can see now. Okay, so let's start. So you can see this SAP screen. This is a demonstration. Okay, server access. Okay, in this server access, I would like to show you if in case any job failure, how we can check in SM37. Okay, so if you can see the job log basically, so before starting, okay, what is the basically like a job. Okay, so SAP any task, okay, need to triggered or complete. Okay, so it has in background there is some job is running on, so we have to monitoring using SM37. So we have to monitor whether it is failed, correct, or running, or about it. Okay, so we have to monitor it. Okay, and based on that analysis, we have to re-trigger and we have to analysis on that. Okay, so I'm going to show you here, if you are a BW consultant and there is a job running in the background, how do you troubleshoot. Okay, so so this is, we have a dummy system over here. Okay, now let's see, I'm going to trigger this data load. Okay, so just I'm going to trigger load. So I'm checking here the load. You can see currently load is running over here. Okay, if you double click or just go to display message, okay, and go to job monitor, you can see now the job is still it is in a running. Okay, so if you can see, if you click here and go to the job log, you can see the job still is running, right? So this is, we have a multiple steps over here. If you want to delete the job, you can select and delete it. You want to stop, you can stop it. So let's see, currently it is active. If you want to stop this job, you can stop it. Let's see here, I'm going to stop it. So if you refresh it, it is red, cancel, right? So if it is cancelled, then if you can see here that load is going to cancel over here. So I'm show you, if you go back, and I'm going to show you that load steps is going to cancel. See it red because we have cancelled the background job, because that data load happening. Okay, if you trigger it, so in the background it is job is running. So if you cancel it, so your job is going to cancel it, right? So let's see, I'm going to skip this step. So next step is going to trigger it. So parallelly, I mean, that next job is running. Okay, so if you go to the SM37 is the T code, through this we can monitor the job. Okay, or we can troubleshoot the job. If in case any failure or what is the status of the job, you can trigger over here. So let's see, this is the option. Okay, the first option, job name. If you remember the job name, you can give the job name, and by default that is username. If you some other user, you can put the star or give the other user. And now the job status, basically now first is schedule. Okay, I mean how to execute, I mean how you want to status, I mean what are the status you want to check it. Okay, so here we have a 5 steps, basically 6 steps. Okay, so you have to check schedule, that means it is job is scheduled. If you want to job display as a schedule, you can click this one. If you want to release, if in case a job is already triggered for particular time, okay, and now it is in release mode. Ready, that is job is going to ready. Okay, and now the active, that means it is still it is in a progress to load the data or something, some archiving the data or something happening, that is active mode. Finish, that is already completed. And cancel, that means the job has been abandoned or cancel it. So these are the 6 state of the job. So you have to monitor based on the SM37. So if you, whatever the relevant you want, you can check it. Let's see, I would like these 3 options: active, finish, and cancel. And you have to give the start condition over here, like the date and the from. If you want any specific time, you can give it, or if in case any event or any program is there, okay, so you can put it here. And now I'm going to execute it. So see, whatever the relevant we have selected, you can see I have selected active, finish, and cancel. So you can see the whatever the job name over left signal, okay, and the status and all the date, start date, in date, and delay, whatever duration, so in second, all is given here. So you can see one job is already cancelled, right? So based on that, okay, so you can check this one and go to here, job log, or you can analyze it why it is failed. So make sure do not repeat the job without analysis. So you have to analysis the job, okay, first, before going to retrigger, right? So this is the way you can check. If you select the job, go to here like job log, okay, or job detail. So see in the job detail you can see how the frequency the job is running, all the detail would be here, right? See the start condition, steps, job detail, predecessor, job and successor, all would be available here. So based on your requirement you can choose here. So this is the like monitoring, you can just monitor. But if in case like this is the job, okay, it's still is in like running, so how, what is, you can see how you can see what the status of the job currently. You can go to badge monitor, see it is finished, okay, so this job got finished. So if it is not finished, you can finish it, okay, see it is got finished, right? Sometimes let's see, this is the like job, earlier job, so this is a failed, okay. But if you want to check it whether, let's see, I'm going to skip these steps and it is trigger the next steps, okay, just refresh it. Yes, okay, now you can just go to the display mode and go to the batch monitor. It is already finished. So sometime it is not finished, it is in progress, then you can select this one and you have an option here to stop it. Sometimes some situation would be there, you have to stop the job. So here is an option, you can stop the job. Here is the option to delete a job. In case you want to delete, you can delete it, but SAP not recommended to delete any job without any reasons, okay. And if you want to check the job log, you can check the job log, all the detail would be there here. And we have a job detail, server, application server details. So even steps are there, what are the steps basically to run this job, all the steps available here. So this is refresh. So these are the basically, we have a SM30. Using this SM30 we can monitor the job basically. Let me again, I'll show you SM37. You can see here, put the detail whatever the relevant for you want to monitor, go to execute here. So you will have a complete picture over here. Two, you can check which job is got released. See, some job is still in release, because if you just double click, see you can see this is in release. See, this is daily frequency and this is 7. So once the job is going to reach, the job is going to execute. So this is the release status, this is called the release status, right? So already we have discussed the type of the job basically. So these are the type of job you can see over here, okay. So based on this you can monitor it, and accordingly you have to take action, okay. This is how we are real time we are working, okay. So please make sure do not delete the any job, just analysis before doing, okay. And anything you need a doubt, contact your SAP consultant, I mean whoever expertise on that field, okay. So this is how it is working and we are monitoring in the real world, okay. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and definitely you should comment and share with your friend. Thank you, bye.